Hello, it's me again, another video about English writing. In this video I'm going to talk about names. Okay, my own name of course is Matt. And one interesting point in English, you can write your name in red. It doesn't matter, the emperor isn't going to have you executed. The most important point about names in English is that they must start with a capital letter. This actually makes it a lot easier than Chinese, because if you can see the capital letter, you know it's a name. Unless the name starts a sentence, I suppose. But yeah, names always start with a capital letter. So it doesn't really matter what the word means. You don't need to know what a name means most of the time. If it's a capital letter, it's just a name. Don't worry about it and don't spend time looking it up in your dictionary. Just know it's a name. Okay, so my name, Matt, would be wrong if it doesn't have a capital letter. Should start with a capital letter. All names should start with a capital letter. There's one exception, but it only matters if you are Dutch. Okay, so we don't need to worry about that. Names must be spelled correctly. So, if the person's name is Hannah, as in, for example, Hanna-Barbera, the people who made Tom and Jerry, don't write Hannah with an H. Okay? It doesn't have the H, so don't add one. Even though Hannah is usually spelled like this, in this case Hannah's spelled like that, so don't spell it like this. Okay? So, if Hannah is spelled without an H at the end, don't add the H when you're writing. Okay? Formal writing, we always use the family names, okay? So, if someone was writing a report about me, they wouldn't just put Matt, okay? Matt Terrett is good. Usually if you're talking about man, it would be Mr. Terrett. Although in this case it would actually be Dr. Terrett, because I'm doctor, so you should use my title. Okay. In academic writing, you will often see the name written like this. Just the family name, and then a date. And this is the date when this person wrote whatever it was that they wrote, that you're citing. Okay, so family name, use the family names. Now occasionally you will see the given names used. This is usually, well, it's always used to make the person anonymous.